Indore court orders wife to pay monthly maintenance to husband after unusual love marriage saga. In a surprising turn of events in Indore, Madhya Pradesh, the family court has ordered a wife to pay her husband a monthly maintenance of 5,000. This unusual case stems from a love marriage that took an unexpected turn. In July 2022, a young woman proposed marriage to a first-year college student, leading to their union at an Arya Samaj temple. However, the marital bliss was short-lived as the wife reportedly began to mentally harass her husband, leading him to flee to Ujjain, where his parents reside. Following his disappearance, the wife filed a missing person report. When the police located the husband, he expressed his distress and unwillingness to continue living with his wife, prompting the case to be taken to family court. The friendship that led to the marriage began through a common friend. The woman, blinded by love, proposed to Aman despite his initial refusal. Following his refusal, Nandini, with the help of her family, allegedly forced Aman into marriage at an Arya Samaj temple through intimidation and coercion. Aman was reportedly abducted and subjected to physical and mental abuse by Nandini and her family for several days before he managed to escape. In an attempt to restore their marital relationship, Nandini filed a case in the family court of Indore. Aman, through his lawyer Manish Jarola, presented his defense and filed an interim application for the case expenses and his maintenance. Aman's lawyer argued that Aman was unable to provide for himself and that Nandini ran a beauty parlor business. Agreeing with the arguments presented by Aman's lawyer, the family court of Indore passed an order for Nandini to pay Aman a monthly maintenance of 5,000 rupees. Thanks for watching YouTube channel Sevak Sihal.